In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong error when trying to pre-order GTA 6 on PS5 tutorial. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. First things first, what you need to go ahead and do is just restart your PS5 before you do anything. So restart your PS5. Once it turns back on, open up the PlayStation Store and try and pre-order again. So find GTA 6, search for it, go ahead and find whatever version it is that you're trying to get and pre-order it. If it's still not working, you need to check your internet connection by going to your network settings and making sure that your console is connected properly. So back out, go ahead and make your way up to the settings gear up in the top right, scroll down, select network, and make sure of course that you are connected properly. In here, you'll also be able to see if PlayStation Network is having any server issues as well. If the servers are down, the store is most likely having problems. You're just gonna have to wait and try again later. Now go back after double checking all of that, making sure everything's good. Open up PlayStation Store, select GTA 6 again, and go ahead and open it up. And then what you want to go ahead and do is check your own payment methods. Make sure card details, billing address, and expiration date are correct. You can also try a different payment method. So try using a PlayStation gift card or pre-ordering through the PlayStation app as well, or even the website. As soon as the game will be linked to your account and available on your console. It's really that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.